Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issues number 103 and 104 of Build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the movie Gone in 60 Seconds by our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to build this 1/8 scale die-cast car, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building one of these along with me, folks. So let's have a scoop through the magazine, see what we got. Nice picture there of Eleanor. Now, issue 103 is the rear window, which is just there. And that would have been one of those sit and look at it episodes. So we've also got the window frame as well in issue 104. So we'll do both of these together and we'll fit that to the rear of the Eleanor body shell, folks, okay? Let's have a look at what else we've got. In there's going to be a picture of what Eleanor's going to look like finished, because we're now getting to that stage where she's coming to an end. We're going to be putting on the doors and fitting the body shell and things like that over the next few issues, folks, okay? Toby's final project there, some behind-the-scenes stuff to do with the films. Gone in 60 Seconds universe, Detective Drykoff, an apprentice crime fighter, some information about his character. Very young Timothy Elephant, wasn't it? Some files there. And then Cars with Girls' Names is the 73 Jensen Interceptor called Betty. Beautiful car. Another picture there of a red one. We've got Patricia, which is the 74 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. Very desirable car. Some data files there on the Cadillac. Give these magazines a read, folks. And then you got the 2015 Mustang convertible, folks, okay? So that's the magazine done. So we're going to go back to the section with the frame just to see how we look about going in the car. And it's going to be the same as the windscreen. We are going to be putting the window in with the curved sections at the top. Same with the frame there. So straight corners in the bottom. You'll see it as soon as you line your body shell up. Okay. You might need your PVA as well, folks, okay, to get the frame to stick in. All right. So let's have a look at how we can see what we're doing today. So let's pop the window out. I've got my gloves on because I don't want to put too many fingerprints on her. But I shall go round and polish all the glass before I fit the body shell. So the inside. So the inside of the glass will get a good clean. So you want your curved edge towards the top, like so. You've got little notches in the screen as well there, which allows these taps to go through on the frame. And again, check your frame to make sure you got your curved edge, which is there. And then your right angles at the bottom, folks, okay? And we just start pressing those in place. Now you might find that you'll need to go around and add a bit of glue. Probably will along the top, to be quite honest with you there, on mine. But it seems to have settled and popped in quite happily there. So again, that's pretty much what you want for your window frame there, folks, okay? So that is the rear window in. But as you can see, there's just a couple of raised areas there. So I probably will go round with my PVA just to bed that in, and then I can tape that in place. But for the moment, she's in situ. So there you go, folks. That's that issue done. Got the rear window and the frame in the body shell. Don't forget, if you want to grab this and build along with me, head over to the Diecast website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be building this iconic model. Also, to help me out, you can just go over and subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell whilst you're there and select all. That way you'll get notified of future content. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.